I think this is a fascinating election. Don't underestimate what is happening in Puducherry. Let's take a look at Puducherry itself. Remember, small state, union territory of the country. But Rahul, fascinating what's happening here. Look at the vote share first. Let's take a look at exit poll vote share in Puducherry, the tiny, lovely union territory of Puducherry on the country's southern coast. NDA 52%. Remember, there's a BJP alliance here with the AINRC, the All India NR Congress of N. Rangaswamy, once a congressman. They are getting 52%. Congress, which was ruling Puducherry till their government was toppled in February this year, 37%. Others, 11%. How is this translating into numbers as per our exit poll? These are the numbers for the tiny state of Puducherry, 30 seats. And here too, Pradeep Gupta is predicting a sweep of sorts. 20 to 24 out of 30 for the AINRC BJP combined. I should actually put it, to be fair to the AINRC, they are the dominant partner. The BJP is contesting 9, the AINRC 16. So the BJP is part of the alliance, but the leader is N. Rangaswamy. The Congress, on the other hand, is getting just 6 to 10. It's tied up with the DMK. Look at how the Indian voter is. The same DMK Congress alliance sweeps Tamil Nadu, but neighboring Puducherry, anti-incumbency against the Congress government, NDA is coming to power, others 0 to 1. And I'll tell you why this is significant, because this is a possible springboard for the BJP to grow in Tamil Nadu. This will be the first time they will be in power in Puducherry, albeit as a junior partner if these numbers hold. And this is the strategy of the BJP in peripheral states, in Goa, in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, now Puducherry. Capture or tie up with the regional party, and that's the way you grow in these relatively virgin areas.
Is this the way it will stay, or can there be reverse swing? Because it's not the Congress that's done well. The Congress has been decimated. It's the DMK that's got 4 to 6. The Congress is only 2 to 4. The AINRC between 13 and 15. And it's got a very, very high strike rate. Out of 16, they're almost picking up virtually all the seats they fought on.
15 seats they are likely to win NR Congress. Out of 16 they fought, as you are saying, Rahul. And most importantly, the seat selection. You know, in any alliance for that matter, seat sharing is one thing, but most important point is that seat selection. So, though, you know, NR Congress, Rangaswamy being in the forefront, he given away 14 seats to BJP and AIDMK, but most importantly, the seat selection of those 16 seats, he is likely to win 15 seats out of those 16, and the majority mark is happened to be 16 itself. So that is very interesting to see, and in fact, the alliance has not declared any chief minister candidate.